building a birdhouse. Today, Dad and I built a birdhouse. First, we gathered all the tools: a hammer, nails, and wooden pieces. I helped hold the wood while Dad hammered. It was so exciting to see the birdhouse take shape. We painted it blue and added a little perch for the birds to sit on. After the paint dried, we hung the birdhouse in our backyard tree. I hope the birds will love their new home. We filled it with birdseed and waited to see if any birds would visit. I felt so proud of what we built together. Dad said it was important to help take care of animals, and building a birdhouse was one way to do that. Now every morning, I check to see if any birds are living there. I can't wait to see a bird family make their home in the house we built.